Mazda 3 2010 tailgate switch replacement. Easy fix, similar in every single hatchback. You start by pulling out this trim with enough strength. It's not gonna break, don't be scared. Sometimes it breaks, so be careful. Now you need to take your trim removal tool and remove these two clips. Nothing special about it. Once they have been removed, you take your plastic trim removal tool and remove these two parcel clips. Don't use metal tools to remove this one. You are going to scratch the trim, so use plastic, okay? Now these trims on each side of the tailgate, you just need to use your hands. They are attached by one clip that is on the trim, and you just need to use your fingers and strength. It feels like it's going to break, so just keep an eye on it. Now this is held by 4 clips. You can use the metal one just with care. I try to do recording and removing the clips at the same time, and it's quite hard for me. Nothing special about these clips, just don't forget to remove them. Now the big one is held by, I think, like 5 or 6 clips inside. You just need to use your hand, and it's quite easy. The most difficult one is the one that is like almost in the center. I had to use a tool because it didn't want to come out. It is usually easy, but this time was quite difficult. So now you see those yellow clips, remove them and put them back on the trim. And here is the switch. So this metal clip is holding it. And first remove the connector. Sometimes it might be a little bit hard to remove. So here you just need to use one tool and pull this up. It's easier when you are not recording, believe me. So once it's off, just remove it, and the switch will be free. Just take it out. So as you can see, it has a shape, so just follow the shape when you are putting it back in your unit. And can you see this black rubber seal? Don't lose it. If you don't put it back, you will get water inside the system, and that will be a problem. So just find the correct alignment. It should go easy. Okay. Now you need to hold it from outside and put this clip back. So that's why I cannot record it close. But believe me, it is easy. I'm sorry if you cannot see, but still. Now I connected the connector inside. I think the old one was an aftermarket, and it was installed in the other way. This one I installed it inside. check that it's working, and now check that all the clips are on the trim, and just align the clips with the holes. Be sure that they are aligned before pushing or like pushing it in, because if they are not aligned, you are going to break the clips or bend the clips. So once they are aligned, just push them in. Once the trim is attached into the tailgate, reinstall the clips. Just remember that there are 4 clips. I'm just showing how I installed 2 of them. I'll put the trim, so be careful, because on the right hand in the video there is a clip that you have to attach correctly, and they just put the parcel clip again. Sometimes it's difficult to put them back, so just be patient and be sure that they are getting into the hole properly. I prefer to attach them as one unit before put them into the hole. For me, it's easier. Now the clips, it's easy. And finally, the first trim that we remove, you just need to align the clips onto the holes and like push them in. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.